Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're not already subscribed, you should subscribe. I make more videos about dropshipping. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to list items from Walmart.com to Facebook Marketplace. And in my previous video, I used Amazon as my supplier, and I personally use both Amazon and Walmart as my suppliers. So it's a very similar process, if not already, it's pretty much the same process. But I thought I'd show you anyway. Here on my screen, I am on Walmart.com, and when I'm looking for a product to sell, usually I already have one in mind, but today I'm going to click on departments, and if I have something in mind, usually I'll just type it up on the search bar, but today I'm going to just look for any product, and I'm going to show you how to list it. I'm going to go on area rugs because I've had some luck with area rugs in the past, and I'm going to click on one of these. So you see there's like a variety of different rugs. I'm going to click on dining room. So here we have a variety of different rugs. See, I can't choose like a price here. Okay, I want to do price. I don't want it to be more than like $30. Here, let's just do this. I'm gonna choose this one. This one looks pretty good. So this one's $25. It looks like a pretty good rug. I think people might like this pattern. So it's $25 and then free 2-day delivery, as it says right here. And I have Walmart Plus so that I get free shipping on every order. So what I do is I will open my Dropshipping folder. Actually, I can't drag and drop. Sometimes I can drag and drop items. Since I can't do that here, actually I'm just gonna open this image in a new tab, and then I'm gonna screenshot this. When I screenshot, I want to make sure that the picture is a square. I know Facebook will always have the pictures in a square, so I don't want it to be a rectangle like this. And then I go in my Facebook Marketplace and I create a new listing. And then I create an item for sale. I add photos. And then I take that picture that I just screenshotted. And then I go back to this listing here. And I might modify the title a little bit. It says mainstays, abstract, square printed, indoor living room accent rug. When I'm creating a title, I just want to make sure that the brand name is not in there. So I'm going to change the quantity. I'm going to get 30 because it's not too low and not too high. For the title, I'm going to leave out mainstays because that is the brand name of this rug. I'm just going to put the size. So I'm going to put 30 by 44. 30 by 44. Abstract. Square printed living room, living room rug, nylon high pile, and then I'll also add like bedroom rug or kitchen rug, because it can go anywhere in the house really. And then usually there's a description in this listing, so I will just copy and paste this from the description on Walmart, and then I'll go in the description box on Facebook and copy and paste that. And then I will make sure that the description looks pretty, so I'm just going to make some spaces here. And then I'm going to take away this mainstays here because we don't want the brand name in there. So 30 by 44. Like I said in the title, want everything to not have any discrepancies because you don't want it to like confuse your customer or something like that. So make sure the size is correct. Sometimes you can like add like gray, brown, and cream in the title. Sizes available. Let me see if there's any like other sizes on here. There's no other sizes on here, so I'm just gonna delete that. Just gonna delete this because there's no other sizes for sale on that listing at least. Anyways, so that's my description, and then I put new because this is a new item. And then for price, I will usually do 50%. So 50% of $25 is about $13. So I'm gonna do $38, but if you want, you can do like $40. Just round it up to like $40 because that's a $15 profit, and that's pretty good. Sometimes, at least like a $10 profit is good for me. So between $10 and $20 is like pretty much how much I make in profit usually. For category, I will do home and kitchen, home decor, rugs and carpets. There we go, rugs. Okay, there we go. And usually I would actually find a listing that has more than one photo here, but the ratings look pretty good, 5 stars. And delivery time is pretty fast. So obviously faster your customer receives the item, the better, because you can get paid faster. And I click next. And then I will do shipping only. And then use my own shipping label because Walmart is shipping this, not me. And then for shipping rate, I usually just do $0, so it's free. I usually leave this off because I don't want people to negotiate with me because I like the price that I set, so I click next. And then I click publish, and then that is how I list an item on Marketplace from Walmart. Pretty much after this, if your listing is new and you've never listed anything in this category before, and you find this doing pretty well, list something that's pretty similar to this listing because there's a pretty high chance that it's going to do well as well. For example, if rugs do well, list more rugs similar to that rug. I hope that helped for people who are beginners and want to learn how to dropship and just want a short little tutorial on how to list items from Walmart. And like I said, you can list from anywhere. You can list from Amazon, you can list from eBay, you can list from literally any supplier. So completely up to you, but Walmart and Amazon are the ones that I have been using. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.